we're back to Quirino Highway. So andito po tayo, bumalik na po tayo dito sa Star Mall. So we are on our way to Camellia Cielo in Higay Road. Dito po sa Star Mall, nandito rin po ang main office ng Camellia. So if you have any inquiries with regard to the property, you can always go to our Camellia office located at the ground floor of Star Mall, San Jose del Monte. So from Star Mall, Star Mall, San Jose del Monte, papunta po ng Higay Road is only less than a kilometer away. Ito po yung papuntang Norsagaray. So papunta po sa Higay Road, kung nasa nado ng Camellia Cielo, is less than 1 kilometer. So ito na po ang Higay Road. Kakanan po tayo dito. Camellia Cielo, ito pong hottest na project ngayon ng San Jose del Monte. Why? Because of location. All of these, everything that you will see now will be very different 5 years from now, because 5 years from now tapos na po yung MRT station, MRT line, tapos na rin po yung ABS-CBN would be partially opened already. And also kasi malaki po talaga ang plans ng government ng San Jose del Monte, for San Jose del Monte, particularly for this. Eventually, kung yung Quirino Highway po ang pinaka main highway na ngayon, mag-shift po yung pinaka hub natin to this portion, sa right port, dito po sa right natin, to this portion of San Jose del Monte, because this is where the MRT city will be. Also, ito yung magiging center ng commercial of commerce in San Jose del Monte. So everything will shift to this right side. Pupunta na po tayo sa Camellia. So andito po tayo ulit sa Higay Road. So from Star Mall, San Jose del Monte to the site along Higay Road ng Camellia Cielo is about 3.5 kilometers away. So as you can see, nandito na po yung ating mga banners. Banda po doon makikita nyo na kung saan yung start ng ABS-CBN complex. Again, yung ABS-CBN is transferring to this area. Magagawa po siya ng parang Universal Studios na team na development. Basically, kaya yung gagawin ng ABS-CBN para makatipid sila ng cost, kaya sa mag-shoot sila kung saan-saan, gagawa na lang sila ng mga sound stages and sound studios. Ayan, dito po sa right, nagsa-start na po ang ABS-CBN property. This is roughly, I think, a total of about 250 hectares. Malaki po siya. Also, you will see that nag-start na po ang construction ng ABS-CBN. Ito po yun. Ayan. So ito po yung kanilang property. This is actually construction by First Balfour, that is an ABS-CBN property, ABS-CBN company. So they're starting construction already. This is a long-term development by ABS-CBN. Ang maganda rin naman po talaga for Camellia Cielo is that at pre-selling prices now, it will definitely be yung value niya would appreciate because of the developments in the area, particularly of ABS-CBN. To your right, kasama pa rin po ito sa area na ito ng right, kasama po yan ng ABS-CBN complex. If in the event that ang intention nyo to buy a property in Camellia Cielo will be end use, you're exposed to your property will be exposed to things that would make the property value go up. And as you know, yung nag-start lang po yung ABS-CBN sa Quezon City before, Talahiban pa ho yun. Pero ngayon, because of ABS-CBN, dahil malaking na-generate niya sa mga negosyo around the area, that's why nag-thrive din po ang ABS-CBN area dun sa QC. So you would expect that magiging ganun po yung development dito around the area of ABS-CBN eventually pag nag-move na po sila dito. So yes, dito sa kanan ay part pa po yan ng ng ABS. Camela Cielo nga po mula ay nasa barangay Caymanban. Anong barangay ito? And as we have mentioned earlier, eventually yung magiging center of commerce would be in this area of San Jose del Monte. It will shift to this area because of MRT7, because of ABS-CBN. Also, San Miguel is transferring to San Jose del Monte, and also galing po magkakaroon ng connectivity from North Luzon Expressway to San Jose del Monte by way of a 24-kilometer 6-lane road na magsisimula from Bukawi at mag-end po dito sa San Jose del Monte. Ayan, so papasok na po tayo sa Camela Cielo. So as you can see, katabi lang po talaga siya ng ABS-CBN. So winner investment po ito. Camela Cielo. So this is our connecting road going to the subdivision. Po, as you can see, in full swing na pong construction natin dito. Nag-start na pong land development. Ayan, galing po sa point na to, ito na pong start ng subdivision. So hindi na po tayo makakapunta doon, pero nag-start na po talaga siya. Nag-land dev na po tayo. Right now, doon po sa right, hindi lang po natin masipat, pero nagtatayo na po na showcase area for model houses. Camela Cielo is a total of about 15 hectares. The first 8 hectares pa lang po yung open natin, pero mabilis po talaga ang bentahan. Marami po dito, of course, ang buyers natin dito ay talagang sadyang anticipate nila ang magiging development ng area natin once pumasok ng ABS-CBN. As you can see, yung ating community ay almost relatively flat ang majority ng area. Pero may parts din po talaga tayo na may uphill, so expect that. At maganda po yung inopen nating mga inventory, which is nandito po sa bandang kaliwa. Puro mga flat po siya ng mga units. And yung I think mga first 10 blocks ang ino-offer po natin dito, malapit na malapit siya sa entrance. And also dito po sa bandang kanan natin, andyan din po ang magiging amenity area natin.